Hello students, I'm Anuradha Kadam and today we are going to see 6 Science first chapter Food, where does it come from? Its exercise and some extra question. Before going towards exercise, we will just take a look of the chapter. So in this chapter we have seen the different kind of food atoms and its ingredients. Ingredients means the materials which required to make the dish. Okay. Then we have seen the different region contain the different food atoms. So they contain the different ingredients. Although so many ingredients are there, we are using some ingredients commonly. And from where we are getting those ingredients? From plants as well as animals. Okay, so now we will see or now we will move towards the exercise which given in your book. So just see the exercise. First question is, do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? What do you think, student? Yes, obviously not. So the answer is no. All living beings do not need same kind of food because there are different type of organisms such as herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. So as an explanation, you are aware that is a herbivorous require plants, carnivores require means flesh, and omnivores they are eating both. So according to their type, their food variety is different one. Name 5 plants. Next question what? Name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. Actually, so many plants and their parts you can mention here, but just we will discuss about the 5 plants and their parts that we eat. So, the answer is the names of 5 plants and their parts that we eat are 1. Paddy, seed. Another one, wheat. Yes, we are using seed part of the plant. Mustard plant, we are using seeds and leaves also. Brinjal plant, yes, you are aware that we are using fruits, means the brinjals are the fruits of the plant. Potato plant, potatoes are the stem, although it is underground, it is known as the stem of the plant. Now we will turn towards the next question. Question number 3. Match the atoms given in column A with column B. Okay, with means you have to match the column A and column B. So in the column A, milk, curd, paneer and ghee. Second one, spinach, cauliflower, carrot. Third one, lions and tigers. And fourth one, herbivores. In column B, eat other animals, eat plant and plant products, are vegetables. And fourth one are all animal products. What is the answer? Just see. Milk, curd, paneer, ghee are all animal products, that we are getting all these things from the animal. Spinach, cauliflower and carrot, they are the vegetables. Lion and tigers eat other animals, and herbivores eat plants and plant products. See the fourth question. Fill in the blanks with the words given. Which words given? Herbivores, plant, milk, sugarcane and carnivores. So the first fill in the blank. Tiger is a ... because it eats only meat. So if any animal eat only meat, so that animal is carnivores. So tiger is a carnivore because it eats only meat. Second, deer eats only plant products and so it's called, if any animal eat only plant products, it is called as, yes, herbivores. So answer is herbivores. Deer eats only plant products and so is called herbivores. Parrot eats only dot products. So parrot, as it is herbivores, so it is eating only plant. So answer is plant. So parrot eats only plant products. Next, D. The that we drink, which comes from cows, buffaloes and goats, is an animal product. So the milk that we drink, which comes from cows, buffaloes and goats, is an animal product. Next, E. We get sugar from, yes, sugar cane. So we get sugar from sugar cane. In this way, only 4 questions are here and we have seen all these questions with its answer. Now we will go for some extra questions. Now we will see some extra questions. So first we will see multiple choice questions. So first question, the ingredients required to prepare a dish of boiled rice are A. Raw rice, B. Boiled rice, C. Water and D. Raw rice and water, both. So yes, means if we consider, if we want to prepare the boiled rice, so we require rice as well as water. We require both. So correct option is option D. Raw rice and water, both. Second, the sources of ingredients are plants only, animals only, both plants and animal. D. None of these. So as you are aware, the plant sources, if we consider, so we require plants also, plant sources also, as well as animal sources also. So option C is correct one, both plants and animals. Third question, vegetables and fruits are provided by plants, animals, both plants and animals, none of these. So yes, vegetables and plants we are getting from plants. So option A is correct, plants. Fourth, sprouted seeds give energy. A. More than dry seed. B. Less than dry seed. C. Equal to dry seeds. And D. None of these. So we have seen sprouted seeds, they are giving more energy. So option A is correct, more than dry seed. Human beings are. Fifth question, human beings are herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivores, and option D, none of these. So human beings are, yes, human beings are omnivores because they are eating plants also and animals also. Next question, 6. Which one of the following is a pulse? So wheat, option A wheat, option B tea, option C maize, option D gram. So what do you think? Yes, gram is a pulse. Next, 7th question. Which one of the following is a cereal? A. Rice, B. Tea, C. Onion, and D. Beans. So if we consider the cereal, so option A, rice is correct one. The sources of food are plant only, animal only, both plants and animal, and option D, none of these. So as we seen that if we consider the sources of food, so we are getting from plants also and animals also. So option C is correct. Both plants and animals. So ninth question. The ingredients of roti are flour only, water only, both flour and water, and D, none of these. So yes, if we want to make the roti, so we require flour as well as water. So option C is correct one. Next, 10. Kheer is prepared by milk only, rice only, option C, milk and rice, and option D, milk, rice and sugar. So, kheer if we want to prepare, so we require sugar also, milk and rice. So, option D is correct. Milk, rice and sugar. 11. Bees use flowers to collect A. Nectar, B. Water, C. Sugar and D. Honey. So, as you are aware that they are collecting the nectar and then it turns to the honey. Yes, so means they are collecting nectar. So, bees use flowers to collect the nectar from the flower. Okay, so option A is correct. 12. Lion eats a herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, none of these. So as lion eat flesh only, so it is carnivore. So option B is correct. 14. We get sugar from milk, nectar, sugarcane, mango tree. So we are getting sugar from sugarcane. So option C is correct. 15. We can get milk from cow, goat, camel, and option D, all of these. So yes, we are getting milk from cow also, goat also. And you are aware that in Rajasthan, as there so many camels are there, so they are using camel's milk. So option D, all of these is correct one. So here from as we have seen first to 15, fill in the multiple choice questions, and here again the answers are given. So you can just cross check it when you are practicing. Okay. So now we will see the next. Now we will see fill in the blanks. So complete the following with a suitable word or words. So all living organisms need, yes, food. So all living organisms need food. Human beings are omnivorous. Yes, human beings as they are eating both. So they are omnivorous. We get food from plants as well as sources are both plants and animals. So we get food from plant as well as animal. Different organisms eat kind of food. So as we have seen, different organisms eat different kinds of food. A child need food for what? A child. A child means he or she, they are growing ones. So for the growth, for the better growth. Next, the ingredients of roti are flour and yes, water. Some plants have two or more what? Yes, some plants have two or more edible parts. Next, kheer is prepared by rice, sugar, and just we have seen that is milk. Bees collect, yes, nectar from the flowers. Next, the animals which eat only plants or their products are called, as they are eating only plants and their products, they are herbivores. So animals which eat only plants or their products are called herbivores. Lions and tigers are some examples of lion and tiger. They are eating flesh only, so they are example of carnivorous. Next, man is an example of, yes, man, human beings. They are eating both plants also as well as flesh also. So man is an example of omnivores. Next question. An example of herbivores eats. Any example you can give here? We will just here see cow given. You can say deer, buffaloes, goat. Okay. So example of herbivore is cow. The animals which eat both plants and, yes, animals are called omnivores. And the last one, nectar is converted into honey by the honey bees. Nectar they are collecting from the flowers, different kinds of flowers, and they are converting into the honey. So who is doing this work? Yes, honey bees. So in this way we have seen some extra questions. Now we will see fill in the blanks. Complete the following with a suitable word or words. All living organisms need food. Yes, you are aware that we require food for the growth. So, all living organisms need food. Human beings are, as they are eating plants as well as animals, so they are omnivores. So, human beings are omnivores. We get food from plants as well as animals. Different organisms eat, yes, different kinds of food, as omnivores require both plants and animals, but herbivores they require only plants. So different organisms eat different kind of food. A child need food for, yes, the child means the children, that your growth is dependent on the food, which kind of food you are taking. So a child needs food for growth. Next, the ingredients of roti are flour and water. Yes. Next, some plants have two or more edible parts, as we have seen in mustard. In mustard plants, we are using mustard leaves also, as well as its seeds also. Next, kheer is prepared by rice, sugar and, yes, milk. Bees collect dotted from the flowers. Yes, bees collect the nectar from the flower, and afterward it get converted, means they are converting this nectar to the honey. So first bees collect the nectar from the flower. The animals which eat only plants or their products are called, yes, herbivores. Lions and tigers are some examples of, as lions and tigers eating flesh only, the same content of the food, so they are examples of carnivores. Man is an example of omnivores. Next, an example of herbivores. Here you can give a lot of example like buffalo, cow, deer, parrot. Okay, so an example of herbivore is, suppose, cow. The animal which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Next, nectar is converted into honey by honey bees. Correct.